Hi, this is Keith All, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to focus on a function within Excel 365 where we can sum a certain range based upon a certain criteria. Today we're going to talk about the SUMIF function. Now the SUMIF function allows you to sum a certain range based upon a certain criteria. Now the SUMIF is different from the SUMIFs, which is spelled SUMIFS, is that this function SUMIF only allows you to specify one criteria. The other function SUMIFS allows you to sum a range based on multiple criteria. So in the future, I'll do a video on that, but today we'll talk about the basics of this formula right here. So the purpose of right here, I have this table of data right here, which is has the number of different departments, their categories within that department, and then the individual sales for that department and category based upon January, February, March. And then this last column is just basically summing the values of January, February, March for that particular line item. But the sum of what we want to do with the SUMIF function is that we want to be able to select a department from this list, which is just a data validation list created from the list of departments in this data set over here on the left. And once I select that, we want to be able to calculate the total sales for that particular department, no matter what the category is, and summon these quarter one sales right here. So as you can see, as I select each item, it sums the values of the operations department. So if I select all these three amounts will equal 510, 953. And if you look down here at the bottom right, Excel has this where you select a cell, it will have these aggregations here at the bottom. And as you can see, this sum value down here matches this. So let's look at this formula right here. So I'm going to start over from scratch. So the first argument for the SUMIF function is the range. Now this range is specified by what is the criteria that you want to sum. So in this case, we want to sum all values for whatever department is selected here. So this criteria here, where are we going to find this in the data set? So this range that we select, this criteria has to be within that range. So we're going to select the department range. Now I'm going to comma. For the next argument is what is the criteria? Well, in this case is we want to find when a user selects a certain department, that is the criteria. So we're going to select this cell. And then comma again. This will bring us to the third argument of the SUMIF function. Now in this case, what do we want to sum up? Well, we want to sum up the sales amounts for that particular department. So we're going to select the quarter one sales column. And now we're going to close out the SUMIF function and press enter. And that will give you the value selected for the operations department. And as you can see, once I select a different department, it's going to select all the values for engineering within this data set, which are these three, and give you the total sales for that. So I hopefully this video tutorial on the SUMIF function in Excel gives you a better understanding of what it's capable of doing and the basics of the function itself, including all of its arguments. I want to thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.